this is Tatiana, and we're starting a new series today. And I'm very excited because I think this should and could be interesting for many people. And I just think if you started with Dynamics CRM or if you just introduced it within your company, then watch these videos. They will come on every Monday, so stay tuned. And it's all about the basics on how to use Dynamics 365 and on how to get a grip on some basic customizations. If you're more the deep dive guy, I will post more technical and advanced videos on Thursdays. Okay, let's begin. First time you open your Dynamics 365 environment, you see on the left side our navigation bar. Within the navigation bar, or it's also called sitemap, we can navigate to our different areas of our CRM system. Right here above the dashboard is within our workspace right now, it's the colorful stuff. We have that bar which changes contextually to create new records or to get more information about the record which is open. Or as it is right within the dashboards, I can create a new dashboard right here, or I can set a default or clear the default value. Dashboards are a main point of start in Dynamics 365. You need dashboards to quickly see where are you standing and what you can do, or where your leads come from, what's your top opportunity, which opportunities are closing soon, etc. Or, of course, as it is a standard dashboard, can scroll down and find my daily to-dos within there. Now, let's talk about entities. Entities are, for example, accounts and contacts. These are the most basic entities within the Common Data Service, within your CRM system, because accounts, these are companies, your customers, etc. And the contacts are actual persons you're talking to or you want to talk to. So I can navigate to any entity within my CRM system via the navigation bar. Let's just click on accounts, and then it opens a so-called view. A view is a list of data. Within that list, I see every record contained in my database which matches the active view. As you can see, there might be lots of views within your database, and we will learn how to make your own views in just a few videos. And so you can switch from only my active accounts to all accounts, for example. Another cool thing about views is that I can set the order. So I can say, okay, at the moment it is ordered by account name, but I can also say I want to order it from A to Z on the column countries. So I get Anguilla and Austria as my first records. Furthermore, I can use views to find records. So if I just type AL within my search box right here, I get all the companies that start with AL. But another example, if I type PIE in there with an asterisk, I find every company or record that has PIE within any of the showed columns. So I can just do I call it Joker search. So just go back to our original state. If I want to filter my list furthermore, I can just say filter by, and then I can say equals customer. I just want to see my customers for the moment, and then I've only got my customers. And I can filter furthermore on additional columns. So Let's say on account name, I want to filter additionally, and I do not want to take the equals condition. I want to start with A. And now I've got only customers that start with A. And so I can drill down that list and trim it down so that I have only the record that I want to have. Next thing, forms. Forms can totally and 100% be edited so that it fits to your needs. But just some basics right here. We have sections, which are the boxes you see. We have fields. These fields can be simple text fields where I can write anything within, or they can be lookup fields like the primary contact field, which is a standard field also. So I can just change the primary contact and look for a contact that fits my condition primary contact. I'm just taking Evie right here and she's in there again. Now we've got phone fields and URL fields, which when connected to a CTI can also help working faster by clicking just the telephone button right here and opens a website when clicking on the website button. Furthermore, there are fields like yes or no fields, like here, yes, no, do I want to allow emails or not? And I can, of course, also insert my own fields so that the information stored within that entity, the record, the data set, matches my personal business within my company. Let's switch to contacts. Contacts are also an entity within Dynamics 365, and if I open a contact, I also see the different types of fields I have within that entity, and I can also switch the forms. So it's not only one form for contacts, it can be multiple forms. For every use case, a support guy needs another form than the salesperson. He needs another information than the salesperson. He needs to have the cases, he needs to have, I don't know, for a contact person, for which machine is he responsible. These are information you don't exactly need on first sight as a salesperson, but you need it as a support person. So I deeply recommend doing multiple forms for different roles within your company to just have your people love to work with the CRM system because they get the information they need. So let's just switch to another form and you see the difference. There it is. And so you can design forms in totally different ways, which I personally find this. So a last little hint on Office integration for mass editing, because I love that feature and we will deep dive into the Office integration at some point. I not only have the opportunity to export in Excel, download the file, edit it, re-import it, but with the Office 365 integration, I can also open any view in Excel Online, edit it there, and then just click Save, and the mass edit is done. This is extremely useful if you're usually working with lists of data. You don't want to edit this in CRM, although there are editable grids, editable tables within Dynamics 365 by now, but you just don't want to. You want to add an email address, Evie at Fox.de, let's say AP, which isn't an actual ending, and then I take the next and Alphonse at Meyer DEAP, etc., etc. And you go down that list and you say save, and it's just saved back to Dynamics CRM, and every salesperson has it instantly. It may take some moments to import those two email addresses into the Dynamics 365, but it's a great feature and I really recommend using it. And there we are. So easy. I just love it. Okay, see you next time. I think we'll do a first approach on advanced find, because finding records and selecting records with advanced find is just such a essential part of Dynamics 365 that I want to show you how that works in more complex scenarios, first of all. So bye bye, stay tuned, and I hope to see you next.
Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell and follow me on LinkedIn, or just get connected with me on LinkedIn. Bye bye.